This is my new pressure washer. It's a step up from my old one, okay? First of all, got all your nozzles back here, plus your super high pressure one that I have attached. Okay, it's 2,300 pounds of pressure, pounds per square inch. Okay, and maybe I'm silly. I've had several pressure washers over the years, and all of them did the same thing. They had like a harness or a holster on the side where you stuck the gun, and I was forever kicking the thing and knocking it off and having to go pick it up. This one, I love the way they did it. Both of them are tucked in on the side. Okay, the gun on this side. Pull it out, and I love that. That'll keep them out of the way. Plus, if you can use it horizontally like this, or you can put it up vertically and push this little button, and there you go. So you can pull it around like a piece of luggage if you need to. But bottom line is, this is quality. 5 stars, no doubt about it. If you need your pressure washer, you want something that's kind of top of the line, you need to look at this one. 5 stars. Go get you one. I did.